Hello Utopians and fellow hobbyists. Welcome to another Saturday Cut Dreams in Styrene with your host Gary Chi. Today's show I want to talk about the Clown Hunter, what went wrong on Monday, and some shock cards came in. First, as always, the riddle! Which extra was not available in a 1970 Boss 429? A. Air condition, B. hearse shifter, or C. the color orange? The answer is always the end of the show. In the garage we worked hard on our tank because the clown seems to be everywhere. See for yourself down in the garage. Since we closed all doors, we had to do a hatch on the roof. After a lot of sanding, it was time for a primer and some magic paint. Time for a general overhaul for the motor. And a couple gun barrels on the rear end. Now we're going to build a hinge for the roof hatch. But that's all for now. Now back to the studio. Monday was not the best day for this channel. Some of you, especially those who have this little notification bell on, experienced on Monday something rather annoying. In 1 hour, you had over 20 notifications from this channel. That was not planned. I'm really sorry for that. Let me explain what happened. As you know, I started this channel dedicated to inspire and help other builders. A major part of this is the tips and tricks segment. On Monday, wanted to figure how or which tips are already said and what I could do for the next shows. So I went through all the 50 episodes, and it took me forever to go through all of them. So I decided, well, I want to do a playlist with only the little tips and tricks. It took me about 10 hours to cut all those tips out of those 50 episodes and load them up. And about 10 in the evening, here in Austria, I was done and I just wanted to release the playlist. And then it's happened. You can't release just a playlist. What you can release is only videos. So I just said, okay, public, and next morning I had like bim 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 bim, like, like I said, a lot of videos went out. I still like the idea though with the playlist, so you have easy access to just the tips. If you don't want to see the whole show, you just watch the tips and tricks. So my solution to that is I want to do a second day where I show only tips and tricks, because I don't want to have after the show another video with what I just broadcasted. So this is what I want to do, have maybe on Tuesday another show where it's just a quick tip, and so I can put this little video in the playlist and everyone has easy access. Please let me know in the little comments whether or not you like the idea, what you think about that. And again, I do apologize for Monday was not planned to annoy you. But this week is not just bad things happen, no, also something good has happened. And I opened it already, I can't wait when I get some shop cards. And this is actually a great builder, and I just recently figured out his channel. It's Diablo's Workshop. And he's an awesome builder. Please check out his channel. And he has a name. His name is Chris, and his second name reminds me maybe his parents or forefathers or whatever came from Swiss, because Ortlieb is actually Swiss or Austrian name. I don't know that, but he's a nice guy. Check out his channel, and remember, the devil is in the details. The Boss 429 had such a big motor under the hood that some extras just didn't fit under the hood as well. So you couldn't have everything when you ordered a Boss 429. But which ones you couldn't? Figure out in the riddle. Okay, our little show is almost over. Again, let me know what you think about the second day with only tips and tricks and the easy access to a playlist. But now, as always, Elise, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people and keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday. A few brave people, though, are part of the resistance. And but you can't stop that. You stop that. It's a serious topic. Oh man. So, do it again.